Ooh, you're a little smelly there. Oh, you're putting the window. Use discount code JacobVile when you shop.
Neo V2s.
Okay. Could you tell me your name and what else in here? So compact Neo V2. Oh, these are Sundowns. Okay, got it.
Yeah, changed up from FIs.
Okay, got it. Yes, sir. So what all is in here equipment besides the subs?
Yeah, so I have 2 MD12Ks, the half-tone versions,
Okay.
and 4 Titan S5 lithium batteries.
Okay.
JS370 alt, 4 runs of Sky High 0 gauge.
Nice.
And DS18 8s in the doors. The amp for those is behind you on the wall.
Okay. Oh, got it, got it.
It doesn't.
We'll keep it close. Just keep it closed, yeah. Nice. And you keep everything in the back on all the battery bank and all the high power lithium and amps. Nice.
Yep.
I like this. What is this actually around this wood?
This is epoxy.
Okay.
Countertop epoxy, a bunch of different colors, and then a gallon of clear coat over it.
Nice. That is sweet. Are you planning to do any roof work?
Yeah, so besides 6 layers of Vibromat up here, I plan on rebuilding sometime soon, and I'm gonna have full wood sealing, maybe steel.
Yeah, steel. Wow. Nice. So how did you, is it weather controlled with the back?
Yep.
When that's shut,
Yep.
the water and moisture doesn't get into the amps. Got it.
Right.
Nice. So what is the cubic space and tuning on this box?
It's about 14.5 cubic feet after port displacement. It's tuned to 32.
Wow.
They peak at 30.
30. I noticed that it had a lower frequency you were giving me now. Still sounded really good.
A little less bandwidth than the FIs, but a lower peak.
Lower peak. Have you done any SPL adjustment?
No, not on the. I just put these in yesterday.
Okay, wow, got it. Are they brand new or broken in?
No, they're feel them. They're tight.
Oh, yeah.
They're super tight.
You gotta learn it. Yeah, yes, sir. I'm gonna go look at the back real quick.
All right, man.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you, dude.
Just to let you know who did it, ho. Tryna spit game for a show with my niggas. Curry never had a job, he always used the ball. The millions run up in your house with his head phone. No names, just to let you know who did it, ho. I'm from Riverdale, all I know is get it. I got weed, I got knowledge, what you tryna spit? K for a show with my niggas selling swag. She a red bottom bitch, Versace shirt, Birkin bag. I'ma get money, nigga, don't use your card up. People type before I leave my fucking house. Grab my pistol in my bag. Thumbing through the bands, I'll be playing with a check. Thumbing through the bands, I'll be playing with a check. Thumbing through the bands, I'll be playing with a check. Thumbing through the bands, I'll be playing with a check. Squad, my phone call, penny.
Selling everything. How the fuck you rolling with a car now? Trying to spin game for a shit.
Smelly there. Ooh. Oh, you're doing good. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.